Everyone loves a fresh, healthy salad. But to prepare a salad at home, you have to wash and rinse the lettuce, slice and chop all of the ingredients, and then slice and chop some more. What a chore! Introducing the all-new 60-second salad. Finally, a fast, easy, virtually mess-free way to enjoy a healthy salad every day. The 60-second salad is designed to hold all of your ingredients. These unique slits take all the hassle out of rinsing and straining and allow you to chop the ingredients all at once. Just cut through the slits in one direction, then rotate the wave cam top for a perfect no-mess crosscut. In just seconds, your ingredients are perfectly chopped and your garden fresh salad is ready to eat. Watch again. The 60-second salad makes it easy to wash and strain. Then just add the base and flip to chop your ingredients. Never dirty a cutting board again. Cut in every slit for a finely chopped salad, or cut in every other slit for a rougher chop. Garden Fresh salad at home has never been so fast and easy. And that's not all. You can use your 60-second salad to make a healthy fruit salad and to chop everything you need for chicken salad all at once. Cleanup is simple too. Just give your 60-second salad a quick rinse or pop it in the dishwasher. No more mess, no more stress. Now you can enjoy a healthy, delicious salad in seconds with the 60-second salad.
Hi, I'm Emily from OXO, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use our chopped salad scissors. The sharp, micro-serrated stainless steel blades easily chop salad ingredients, so you can get a taste of everything in each bite. The rounded blades allow you to chop directly in the bowl without scratching it, so you don't have to worry about ruining your mixing or serving bowls. The wide, curved blades of the chopped salad scissors provide a generous surface when closed, which is optimal for tossing ingredients after chopping. Hand wash the chopped salad scissors with warm, soapy water and promptly dry. The locking tab snaps out of the way while the scissors are in use and swings up to lock the blades for storage.